Still one of the most reliable big men in the league today, from Santa Lucia Realty, number 16, Dennis "The Menace" Espino.
Second half, leading the comeback along with as Dennis Espino, good spin move against Leo Campo at yung help defense.
Live your dreams. Ito naman mabawi si Dennis Espino. His own version of a no-fear slam.
Quarter and misses. And Dennis Espino, siya naman yung mag-offensive rebound. 2 offensive rebounds and 2 points.
Not. A good rebound from Espino. Look at the power for Dennis Espino.
Pinalagyan Dennis Espino sa side. Yes! Parte hindi na sinalis ni Stephen Howard yung tira ni Dennis Espino.
He has been wanting all throughout this year.
Governor's Cup. Here's the good matchup. Espino against Locsin. Prevailing itong si Dennis Espino.
Makabalik.
Espino down the baseline.
Reverse layup by Dennis Espino.
Ganda naman nun. Ito, sa kanya na naman.
Oo. Block and EJ File. Doon sa dumobble team na si Dennis Espino.
Well, that was a good block. Ito si Dennis Espino. Espino yun!
Dennis dahil si Dennis ang mga katawan sa kanya. Ayun, umawi na ngayon si Espino.
Against Locsin. Baseline move by Espino. Yes!
Ginamit pa yung katawan. At ito, mas comfort zone ni Dennis Espino. Ito, patient offense ang kanyang hook shot. Goes for Dennis Espino.
Sa kanilang head-to-head encounters dito. Pero
Mario miss rebound. Espino spins and makes the room to get 2 points from inside.
Balik si Coach Sonny Jaworski at the time that has hit 2 3-point shots. Pero yung
Maybe the season-ending game ng inyong bayan na superstars. Oh, what a move by Espino.
power play ni Dennis Espino.
Yun ang nagiging problema niya. Espino fakes. Nabalong bola. Pampapoging tirang muna.
Limpot going to Dennis Espino and he lays it in para sa Realtors.
Samantala, ito 7-second shot clock. Dennis Espino finding a way to hit that one at close range.
For that zone defense of Santa Lucia.
Inside stab para kay Dennis Espino.
The inside hand off to Dennis Espino. Hesitation move. Finally found the bola. Derek Brown quickly to Dennis Espino. Off balance jumper. So point. Nice.
Espino in the paint. Turns and makes it, so 1 out of 4.
Dennis Espino inside against Romel Adugol.
Mahirap na sumabay si Dennis Espino doon.
Speaking of Dennis, big man talaga para sa kanila. But Dennis Espino hits another one off the glass. 12.
Ito si Dennis Espino. What a shot. Classic Dennis Espino move. Dennis Espino, ball break against Asi Taulaba. Asi Taulaba pati sa dito. Espino. Ang pabilis nga lang siya kaya ang Video Campo. And of course, turning out to be the hero. Samantala, field goals natin. Makikita natin 6-47 of Nico Adriano. Hands up to Dennis Espino. Wow! Pati ba naman yung mga napakalakas na hampas sa ball? Back in the second quarter. Yeah. Dennis Espino off the glass. It goes.
Yeah. Well, they got it. They go again. Yeah, they're doing exactly what they want to do. Lama kay Romel Adugol. Bumihin. Nakita si Marlo Aquino! You can't be marked.
Falling apart. Santa Lucia, everything they're doing, falling into place. Another basket there.
Dito na siya, no? Pinasag niya pa yung Salazar para may labas na, no? But Siegel, the true professor Espino, spins. Palay siguro palakpak ni Commissioner sa pagdating sa pagkababa ng bola. Espino, pinala sa labas si EJ File and running time. Espino, ipinaba yung bola. Ito yung tira ng Espino, unorthodox, no? Walang forma-forma, pero more than 3 minutes. Yung tira na yung from BLDD range ni Boyd Fernandez ang backbreaker. But Dennis Espino retaliates quickly at nakapag baba. Espino, ayun nga, di masyadong umiikot yung bola. Pero so far, pasok.
After they came up second dun sa ating Commissioner's Cup, umuwi na si Coach Dennis.
Oo.
Dennis Espino didn't come down.
Oo. Nice that shot, no?
As we were went on a timeout, pinag-usapan natin dito yung coaches that the others
inside. Shooting percentage dito, partner. If you notice, most of these teams are going inside for their points. Kulang na kulang sa inside.
Mendoza hinahabol. Inside to Dennis Espino.
on a play. Ellis, fast break play by Santa Lucia. Ganda on the scoring end of the last one. Yung sinasabi natin pasahan ng Santa Lucia Realty.
First half, Espino. Oh, yes. Basket count.
At yung reaction ng team defense ng
Nakangiti na si Tangkinset pagbalik sa pasa niya eh. Espino, walang sayang doon.
Bakit ba pag lalo ka tumatagal sa liga, parang lalo kang bumabatan? Best player of the conference ka pa ngayon?
Well, unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa lakas na binigay sa akin saka sa team. Yun lang, talagang siguro focus lang talaga ang pinaka-motivation namin. Sabi ko nga sa mga teammates ko na wala nang bukas to. So game 7, so ibigay na natin lahat na nalalaman natin. So sinwerte, binigay sa atin ng Panginoon.
Okay, thank you very much, Dennis. Congratulations.
In the ball game, yun no? Nasa loob yun, pwede siyang tawagin ng 3 seconds. Kailangan ikinikount yung ball para maset buti na natin.
third time in 3 years for Santa Lucia. Pangatlo na naman sila.
Yes, and for Coach Adonis Terra,